Hello, this is Casey Sullivan, and I'll be taking you through 10 quotes of famous MLB legends that played for the New York Yankees. Here's the first one by Derek Jeter. My heroes. My dreams and my future lay in Yankee Stadium, and they can't take that away from me. I hit big or I miss big. I like to live as big as I can. Babe Ruth. The ball player who loses his head, who can't keep his cool, is worse than no ball player at all. Lou Gehrig. It's great to be young, and it's great to be a Yankee. Joe DiMaggio. When you sign on to do a job, you hope you'll be able to get it done, but that's not always in your control. Joe Torre. A team is where a boy can prove his courage on his own. A gang is where a coward goes to hide. Mickey Mantle. You've got to be very careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there. Yogi Berra. You hit home runs not by chance, but by preparation. Roger Maris. Every day that goes by and we don't win a ball game, that's a missed opportunity for us to battle back. Brett Gardner. You kind of took it for granted around the Yankees that there was always going to be a baseball in October. Whitey Ford. Thank you.